Hello guys, today I'm very excited, and I'm excited about the progress we've made on the Teapot's PromoCore infrastructure. What we've achieved today is we've onboarded an acceptor, a Pandly acceptor. So our goal is to ensure we have a couple of Pandly partners where Pandly customers, the guys who shops Pandly, the truck and 1414 collections, and those who shop the wristband itself can, make use of their preloaded credits. Today we've made the progress by onboarding a pharmacy store here in Festac, Amward of Axis. So what we've achieved is very significant in terms of our roadmap, in terms of what we are building. The current stage, the current status quo of voucher credit, coupon credit is basically closed loop system, and it's very siloed. So what we're launching, so think of Visa and MasterCard. So what we've built is to allow entities. So when I mean entities, I mean businesses, NGOs, governments, individuals to issue digital values as either as prepaid value, postpaid value, subsidized value, coupons, incentives, benefits, welfare programs, within that self-organization and beyond the organization that is issuing it. Let me give you an instance now. For instance, what we achieved today is having a Pandly, which is a brand, to issue, preloaded credits that, Programmable pharmacy can accept. So we are also in discussion. The Pandly guys, of course, I'm partner, I'm the consulting partner for the Pandly guys. So we are in discussion with, partnering with the eye clinics, the hospitals, some other retail, entities, the supermarkets and the likes. Hotels, hospitality space, hotels, restaurants, and lounge, where, what we demonstrated today with the Pandly and the pharmacy guys, these beneficiaries of Pandly credits can actually go beyond, pharmacy and hospital. They can walk into retail stores, go to hotels, go to hospitals, and if they have value on their either wristband or they have a value, issued with the Pandly card, they can, present, their credits and have access to their credits. So it's very significant what they've achieved, and we didn't just do that. We demonstrated what we've invested, our resources, our creativity and the vision we have with this onboarding today. Most people will look at it and say, okay, this is just a pharmacy. No. What the Teapot technology, it's going to be demonstrating going forward from today is, deep network effects. All right. We've also had an internal demo where we did, Pandly issuing cards, credits to beneficiaries of organizations based in Ontario, Canada, US, Australia, seeing how these beneficiaries can access this value, across the continent. So it worked. All right, so that's an internal demo. So today we had a very real life demo. So this is not just a demo, an actual business that the Pandly beneficiaries or customers can walk into this pharmacy, Paga is, here in Festac, and access the value, because we've sold a couple of wristbands, and we've received a lot of orders. And when we have these thousands of beneficiaries who order these wristbands or order the truck and 1414 collections and have this credit, they can walk into this pharmacy and assess their value. All right. So what we are doing, it's revolutionary, it's evolutionary, very disruptive. But I'm cautious using that word revolutionary because voucher has been into existence, coupons has been into existence, welfare programs have been into existence. What makes it revolutionary? What makes it revolutionary is because what we already have right now, it's a closed loop system. What Teapot PromoCore it's unveiling, or rather has unveiled, is having cross-vendor redemption, cross-sector integration, and cross-border usage. All right. So imagine a cafe here in Lagos issuing a voucher credit, and you go to an event, a stadium somewhere in Paris, a lounge in Toronto, and you use the same card. So the level of integration, the complexity is already abstracted. It's technology. We just under a minute, if you sign up on Tipot PromoCore, you can issue vouchers, credits as preloaded or prepaid. Your beneficiary can access it. So it's just basically what we've done, and I can't wait to start, demonstrating with the Tipot guys and also the panel guy how this cross integration is actually working. So imagine a hotel issuing a voucher credit, you go to a spa nearby, you redeem it. Imagine a hospital issuing a credit, a voucher credit, or benefit credit. You go to pharmacy, you go to eye clinic, you use it. So, and again, it provides this nuclear grade flexibility where, you can program the issue of the card. Just like I said, your Visa or MasterCard, the issue of the card can say, okay, this card is going to expire for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years, for the next 20 years. So you can set usage limits, budget caps, and all of that. All right. So I wouldn't want to take much of our time in terms of, what we've achieved today, because we're going to be doing lots of demos around, the cross-entity usage, cross-border usage in details, and we're going to be, showing it and see how it works. And I'm very, very, very happy with the progress we've made, and I'll keep you guys posted. And you can visit tipot.com or promocore.tipot and see how you can issue digital values across different sectors. Using it for your real estate and assets management. For AR and data services, credit issuance, NGOs, government welfare benefit programs. So it's all that. All right. So that is just that. So think of your Visa card and MasterCard, but this is and your Visa card, MasterCard has to do with just basically payment and money. But if you think of what we built with Tipot PromoCore, which is powering this pan-leaf credit distribution, either in form of a wristband or in form of a card or a link, think of it as an infrastructure that allows everyone to distribute value beyond just money. All right. Before I go, this is the last use case. Just imagine a travel agent right here in Nigeria. It could be some XYZ, that sells travel tickets, provide consultation services, and the travel agency here in Nigeria has over 300 or 100 partners in Tokyo, Paris, US, Canada, Burkina Faso, Ghana, South Africa, and they have customers, VIP customers that they want to issue, either a VIP card or a wristband. It's okay. When you go to Canada, when you want to travel outside for your vacation, or issue a card, you can redeem it in Paris. If you're stopping somewhere in Germany, in Berlin, you can use this card because our partners are there. So they don't have to start building this technology, this infrastructure from the ground up. So we've already built this technology. All they have to do is just within a second, they sign up on the platform, they start issuing vouchers and credits, and they decide where to put the value. You can put the value in the wristband, you can put the value in the card, they can put it in the car, they can put it even on my sneakers. As long as there's a contact point to reach our technology through voice AI, they can distribute these digital values and that. All right, thank you guys, and I'll be sharing more updates with the progress we're making, and how the Tipot PromoCore is enabling issuers, value distribution issuers, and how the entire infrastructure is reshaping the global economy in terms of digital values, prepaid credits, and other kinds of value. Right. So it's an exciting time, and stay close, stay connected, and let's make the world a better place. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later.